Hello, welcome back to one eyelash done and one not. Except for I've never had that before. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a comparison video. See if we found a dupe for the Lashify. So what we are going to be testing is, this is the Kiss Falscara New Way to Lash Starter Kit in Volume. This is what it looks like. So, we're going to be comparing this to the Lashify. So that's why this eye is done. I put my Lashify on this eyeball. And we're going to do this eye with this. This one was $18. So if this one works, that'd be a pretty good deal. So let's get into it. Obviously, first thing I noticed is that what packaging looks better. But it is cheaper, so this is what it comes with. Two eyes worth of eyelashes. A bond and a seal, and then little applicator things, tweezers. So the eyelashes come on a little plastic thing, and then this is what Lashify lashes come on to compare. Lashify, Kiss. And they do have, I think, I saw 3 different ones, I think. Volumizing, they have lengthening, volumizing, and lifting wisps. And then if you want to buy more lashes, there's $6.99 for a set like this. Okay, this set, let's see. This says, bond time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Wisp under lashes. Use the included Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. As shown, pick up a wisp from the middle. One by one, gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Dab a thin coat of seal under wisps. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisps in place. So pretty much exactly like the Lashify. So this is the Kisses applicator wand. Then this is the Lashify wand. I like this color. Rose gold. This is their bottle of bond and seal. This is the bond, and then this is the seal that comes with the starter kit. Just to show you the comparison. And obviously I already have one eye done, which is with the Lashify, so we have to do this one. Also, I know my hair's already faded. I'm gonna be doing a new hair video soon. I think the inner ones are shorter for the inner corner. The rose gold side is the bond, and then the silver is the seal. And this is what it looks like. Not too much different, one's just longer. Let's compare the seal real quick, and then this is what the seal looks like. And this is what the seal or glass, this is one called glass, looks like. So this one's a lot different. This one has like a little sponge on the front and then a spoolie. This one just has like a plastic spoolie. I'm going to dab some on my lash line and a little bit on the lashes. Let that sit for a second. Try not to blink. Okay, I'm gonna do one more tap. It doesn't say to do this, but this is what I've been liking with the Lashify ones. And then you're supposed to just be able to pull these out, I think. Ooh. Don't break it. Oh, got it. Tap a little bit on this. And on. Application so far is just as easy as the other ones. Whoops, I just ruined one of the lashes. Not really ruined, I just pulled a bunch of the hairs out. I'll use a different one. Jeez, that glue is sticky. And one more. Okay, that was quick, about 3 minutes probably. Just as easy to apply as the Lashify. Oh, poop. Very sticky, goodness gracious. So here's a close-up of this eye. Oh, yes, gorgeous. And then right next to the Lashify. Horrible lighting. Lashify, yes. Obviously the lashes look a little different because they're different styles. Can you see me? Here we go. Both apply really easy. And both look good, I think. So, I just need to put the seal on. I was waiting for it to dry. Let's do the seal. Are you dry enough? I do like the seal applicator of the Lashify better because I like the little spongy thing on the end. Now the true test is to see which one lasts the longest. They both look really good. I like them. I like it. If this one works just as good as this, it's so much cheaper. Just saying. Not that I don't like the other ones, but if you're balling on a budget, we'll see in a couple days if it's worth it. Oh, let's take my head down. Okay, I will see you in a couple of days when one of the sides wears off, or maybe sooner than a couple of days, whatever comes first. What one's gonna fall off first? Is it gonna be the Lashify or the Kiss? Which one's gonna be? Which one is it gonna be? What one? The race is on. For now, I will see you soon. See you. Hello, I'm back. It's been 3 days of me testing out the Falscara. I did a little research, and this isn't actually like a 7-day wear thing, I guess. But who listens to reels? And I wanted to see how long they'd last. So this is day 3. They're all still on there, and here's the drum roll. Da-da. 2 of my Lashify ones came off. All on, 2 off. $18. So far my real eyelashes like this glue better than the Lashify glue. But in a perfect world, I would take the lashes from, like the thickness of the lashes from Lashify, the glue from Falscara, and then the wand from Lashify, which I guess you could do. You can buy things individually. I just like this better. It's bigger, and then it has these non-stick things, so then the glue doesn't stick to them when you're putting them on. Oh, poop. And fusing. But for some reason my eyes like this glue, and it's way cheaper. So, and also you can buy this glue, and you can buy all of this stuff in here individually if you want to. So this product, to me, is a thumbs up. I like it a lot. And even if you could only wear it for one day, I would definitely get these over lash strips because they're so much easier to do. Lash strips are quite hard to put on. These you can't really even tell that you're wearing anything also. Pay no attention to my wet hair. I just took a shower. Also, I did a little test to see how good they are. That's how the Lashify came off. Is I like submerged my face in water for a period. I submerged my head in liquid. My lashes in liquid. I put my head under the shower for a long time to see how long the lashes would last before falling off, and then the Lashify came off first. So that's my update. I highly recommend this brand. Change up their wand, and that'd be really nice. It does, as I said before, it did say that they aren't really supposed to be multiple day wear, but I've worn them for 3 days and they've lasted, so do what you want. So that's it for today's video. My review on the Falscara lashes. I like them a lot. Thumbs up for me. Thank you for watching. I'll just give you one more up close look, if it will focus on my face. And the Lashify came off this side and this side, which are the smallest lashes. I'm trying to record my
video. Are you talking to yourself?
No. Is that considered talking to yourself?
Yes, it sounded. I'm like, I was having a full-fledged conversation. I forget you're making a video.
My real lashes, the inner and outer corner, are very small, so it's hard for lashes to stick to them. I just have small lashes, okay? Jeez, stupid lashes. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Lashes out. Yes. I wish the lashes that they sold were a little fuller. That would be nice, but worth it. Okay, bye. Hello. It's day 5. I'm going to take my lashes off because I'm going to be doing my hair and I don't want it to mess up. So I just want to see how easy it is for these to come off with just like my fingers. Probably super easy. Oh. Wow! They're on there still. They probably would have held on more. Ow! They don't want to come off. They're on there good.
Oh, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start